Hello, today we are going to do a quick demo of the new Gemini technology Nano Banano, Banana. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold. So we're going to work through this with a use case of a personal injury, creating demonstrative evidence for a personal injury case. So I'm going to put in a few prompts from that I just created. I'm not a personal injury attorney, although I have been a plaintiff in a personal injury case, so I'm familiar with that. But I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple of suggestions from ChatGPT about what a personal injury attorney might need for a case. So here is create a realistic bird's eye view of a four-way intersection showing red sedan running a red light and T-boning. See, it's using very common language. T-boning a blue SUV crossing legally. Clear street markings, traffic light, daylight, dry conditions, minimal bystanders. Let's see what's going to happen here. So we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is a non-paid version. Yeah, let's just see what we got here. So that took like 2 seconds and looks pretty accurate here. So let me read the description to you again while you're looking at it. Bird's eye view of a four-way intersection showing a red sedan running a red light and T-boning a blue SUV crossing legally. Clear street markings, traffic light visible, daylight, dry conditions, and minimal bystanders. Okay, so we've got 3 bystanders. See if we can tell here. It looks like the red light is here, so this would be the green, and we wanted, yep, very cool, very interesting. And now, of course, you could take this and put it in Canva and draw some directional arrows to make sure. I mean, there's some obvious inconsistencies. We've got these funny little turn arrows up here, which you could probably talk it out of. So let's see. The turn lane arrows are going both ways. That's incorrect. Okay, let's see what it does. Just kind of talk through it. You're right, my apologies. Always so polite. Yeah, it kind of made it worse. So this would be something where you would take it and put it in another video editing program to get the kinks out. So what we're really looking for is this demonstration of the scene here in the middle. Let's try a different one. Again, AI is not, it is. It is what it is. It's going to start with what you give it, and then you have to kind of take it from there. Let me grab another one here. All right. All right. Create an image of nighttime suburban street scene with heavy rain, poor lighting, and a hidden stop. Yeah, ChatGPT may have given us some more complicated things than Gemini Nano Banana wants to deal with just yet. That's okay. Yeah, it's given us what we want or what we're asking for. However, it looks like the inaccuracy would be the stop sign facing us and not facing the car. So stop sign should be facing the car. Now, let's see what it does. That might be kind of weird. We'll see what it does to solve this problem. Yeah, so now we don't have a stop sign because it put it in the right place, but it's now out of our field of view. So um, again, trial and error with some of these things, but as you can see, it is a really interesting product. Let's see if we can try. Let's try one more time. Here's a medical illustration. I mean, the pictures are beautiful. They remind me of like childhood books, like Nancy Drew and what was it, the Hardy Boys. It's got that kind of nice, warm feel of a illustration. All right, so here is a detailed medical diagram showing a human neck and spine during a rear end collision. Arrows indicating hyperextension and hyperflexion, labels for vertebrae. Now you're going to have to look these up. Previous image generators were notorious for misspellings and just making up weird words and sticking them in there. Um, yeah, so we're gonna have to look at this and edit it. Now I know a little bit about anatomy, so the drawing itself actually looks pretty good, but we're gonna have to. I can definitely tell these names are not correct, and it's got a point to the jaw here that says shoulder pain. So I'm guessing that either means should be jaw pain or it should be something else. Although arguably, like some of these things pointing to the vertebrae, a neck vertebrae issue could definitely cause arm numbness. I've experienced that, so it could be basically correct, but not enough information to determine. But these words here are not correct. They're close. Sternocleidomastoid is a thing, but it looks like it's, I don't know, using a different way of spelling it, and it's not correct. So anyway, this is just a quick demo of the new Nano banana. Of course, it always says here, Jim and I can make mistakes, so double check it. So we've seen here that I don't know. I guess these will hit the mark about, I don't know, I guess about 50%. Like, I love this one with the stop sign. It's beautiful. It's just not indicating what we want it to indicate, being that the silver car is our actor here. I don't know if we did a video or something going into the stop sign. Yeah, but that's not what we asked it for. And this is cute. It just made more arrows. I wanted it to correct the arrows going into the intersection, and it just made more arrows. So anyway, thank you for playing Nano Banana. It will definitely take some time to tweak that and work with it. So I hope that you guys will try it out on some of your own use cases and let me know how it goes for you.